This means welcome. Yep.
Scott,
Yes, sir.
I'll say something on the design aspects of this.
Say again?
I would say something on the design aspect of this.
Okay.
See,
Yeah.
so if you see this, the door is always open. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So there is always air entry. So the ratio of wood and air is not maintained. Okay. And another thing is that the ash pit is also open. You have constant air from below. And the most important thing is that he's diverting the air towards this side, and you're not getting the heat that side.
So you're actually burning the wood faster,
Faster, yeah.
and you're not getting the actual heat. Got it.
Heat is not transferred on the entire area because it's on the right side. If it's on the front side, it will travel the entire distance.
Right.
And the product is really heavy, and I'm not sure. It's not the insulation bricks. It's not surely the insulation bricks.
It is really hot.
Thank you, Ashok. That was great. Thank you.